Construction of new factory of Panasonic in Pilsen, intended for manufacturing of AQUA-Z heat pumps, brought many challenges. One of the challenges was how to ensure heating and cooling of not only administrative and production areas, but also how to ensure so-called technological cooling, requested mainly for testing of produced units. Overall cooling capacity was relatively high, specifically 4,800 kilowatts. But at the same time, Panasonic places a strong emphasis on environmental protection. That's why it was necessary to find solution with the lowest possible GWP and with highest efficiency.
For cooling the production areas, large air handling units were used, together with ECOi-W chillers. This solution was designed by the building services engineer as optimal with regard to the large-scale production hall spaces and the need to ensure the required air distribution. The source of chilled water for these air handling units is 6 Panasonic chillers with the environmentally friendly refrigerant R513A, each with a capacity of 800 kilowatts. For cooling in the production halls, an additional 57 fan coil units were used, with a total cooling capacity of 1,500 kilowatts. In the section of the production area where the use of air handling units was not optimal, 3 rooftop units with refrigerant R32 were installed, with a total capacity of 350 kilowatts. The Panasonic production facility also includes an extensive administrative section. Here, high-efficiency direct expansion systems, VRF, were designed. The indoor spaces are mostly equipped with small MY3 cassette units featuring Nano-EX technology, which ensures a clean and healthy indoor environment. Outdoor units of the PACi series were used as the source of cooling for small air handling units, for server cooling, and for small administrative rooms. In total, 165 kilowatts of cooling capacity was installed this way. At the end of each production line, for AQUA-Z heat pump outdoor units with R290 refrigerant, there is a testing room. To provide chilled water for testing, 2 air-cooled chillers with R32 refrigerant, totaling 150 kilowatts of capacity, are installed on the test chambers. The production hall also includes a calorimeter testing room. To provide the necessary conditions for testing, a source of chilled water with a capacity of 170 kilowatts was required, so an air-cooled chiller with R32 refrigerant was used. The installation of all technical equipment for this project was carried out thanks to close and collaborative cooperation among all parties involved, namely Panasonic, the designer, and the implementation company.